Morning guys, it's October 20th, 2020. This one here I got a call for no heat on a gas boiler. I have worked for this lady before. I guess she's selling her father's house and no one's living there, so I have done some work over there before. I think I might have, I don't know, I think I went over there and cleaned the burners or something, but she's saying that the heat's not coming on. It's been a half an hour, but we're gonna go over there and see. I know she had a kick base heater that was squealing.
Take the ramp on the right to I-195 East toward New Bedford.
And I know that I went over there and I gave it a little bit of, juice, juiced up the bearings on the kick base heater, and it seemed to quiet down the squeal noise. Well, that's been taken care of, but for some reason says she's got hot water but no heat. So I told her maybe get a separate gas water heater. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see what we could do for her. Another damsel in distress. Another damsel in distress.
Take exit 13A on the 140 South.
I miss Miss Molly. She's home. She's no room for her in the truck here, so I kind of miss her. Go out and do a couple of jobs, and hopefully I get my truck back today. It's calling for heat, yeah? That's on. Don't seem like there's any power here. Damper controls on. Yeah, circulators are running. They're warm. No heat, probably out. Pilot's probably out. There's a roll-out switch here. Sometimes these trip. That's not the case there. Probably the pilot. Well, it's been about a year since I've been here. Wow. Okay, the pilot's out. Sure enough, the pilot's out. We're gonna turn this to pilot. Push this red button down and light it. She is a real shit show, Mama. Sometimes it just gets stuff in there, you have to clean it out. The hood gets dirty. Got this little be a dirty pilot hood. Alright. Shut everything off, see if I can get it apart. It's kind of a shitty burner to clean, to be honest with you. Could be some dirt in there, sediment, I mean, it could be anything. Get it apart and get it cleaned. Alright. I think it's a bad gas valve. No gas coming out of the gas valve. This is working. Isn't that weird? Got a bad gas valve there. Gas valve's on. I want nothing coming out. Got a bad gas valve there. Ain't that a bitch? I'll have to get another one, I guess. It's on pilot. That pilot, the gas pilot, the pilot should come right out of there because it's open, right? You should be able to hear it coming right out. Nothing. Nothing. I don't know what number that is, but we gotta get a new gas valve for it. That a bitch. I know the gas is working because the water heater's working, right? This is nice and hot, so I know that's working. We know we got gas here. I just fired up. Isn't that weird? I got a bad gas valve there. Let's get it apart and see what we can do with it. See if we got gas. No gas. We got no gas. Isn't that odd? Got no gas. How could I have gas to the water heater, but no gas to this? Gas runs over. I got it off. Hello.
Hi, Steve.
Yeah, it looks like there's a gas line that runs over from the meter that's got a shut off on it right at the meter. Somebody shut the gas off to the boiler.
Oh, Jesus.
I thought it was a bad gas valve, but it's looks like that's all it is. So let me put it back together and see if I get it running.
All right. Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I thought you needed a new gas valve, but I don't know. This is just all right. I'll take care of it.
All right. Do you need me, or because I'm right nearby?
Nope, I don't need you. I just do my job. I'll get it going.
Oh, okay. And let me ask you this. So I noticed that always the hot water to the shower it takes a long time. Is that part of that, or is that just the system that it is?
Well, you're not living in the house, so when you get here, all the water in the pipe has been cooled off. So if you turn the shower on, you got to get all that water out of the pipe that's been already cooled off before it gets hot. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So that's why it's probably the end of the run. That's what's taking so long.
Yeah.
That's normal.
Well, thank you for getting over there. I'm sure you see the cat. I'm sorry, I'm driving. Hold on.
I didn't see no cat, no.
Is the cat in the house? You don't see him?
I didn't see the cat.
Oh, shit. I hope he made it in.
I don't know. I didn't see him. I mean, you...
Yeah, well, if you do see him,
yeah.
just let him in. I have no problem with that. Just, you know.
But, well, what's the cat look like?
I have a girl that takes care of him.
What's the cat look like?
He's orange.
I haven't seen no cat, but if I see a cat, I'll see if I can get him in the house.
Yeah, his name is Boy.
Okay.
But I'll call her and see, because she tries to get him in every night, but sometimes he's not around, so.
All right, let me do my thing.
Thank you, Steve.
Yeah,
Take care.
All right. Well, I got it off here, but it's off on the other side. I don't know who shut that off. Oh, you know what it was? They were working on, to just make sure there's no other lines. Somebody shut the flipping gas off to the house. Oh, go figure. Make sure this comes up right here. Runs over. Right to this valve. That's it. Somebody shut the valve off to the heater. And then there's other gas that goes wherever. I don't know. Let's see if it works now. It should. Alright, so I'll turn this on here. We should have gas coming out the gas valve now. Yeah, you could hear it. Hear it? Listen. Okay, so we got gas now. Put this back together and see what happens. Make sure we get that in there right. It's kind of odd. See, good thing I double checked. I was gonna go get another gas valve for her. I didn't think that there would be another shut off on this thing. Usually there's only one right at the appliance. See, that's why you never, it's always good to double check. Make sure you got gas at the gas cock, which I didn't have. What threw me off was the water heater was working. Right? The water heater had gas. So that's right next door here, right beside it. That's why it threw me off. It threw me off, Mama. It threw me off. I should be able to light the pilot now. Let's see if it'll take a little bit to get all the air out of it, right? Still air in there. Alright, I got it lit, but it seems like there's a lot of air in there. We gotta have it disconnected, right? So, yeah, maybe there's just a lot of air in there. See if I can release it if it stays on. Alright, staying on now. I'll put this little trap door back. And turn this gas valve to on. And then we could just... In Houston, we have ignition. So somebody shut the gas off. There's an extra gas cock over there by the gas meter, which I don't know why it's there, but somebody shut it off. Old cast iron system. Gas shut off. Two burner turned back on, relit pilot. You just never know what you're gonna find. I thought it was the gas valve. You gotta always double check yourself. But if not, you'll be doing a job twice.